In this video, I'm going to show you how to set custom instructions inside Claude to help your AI provide you a higher quality responses to your prompts. I'm Larry McGuire, I'm a work psychologist, and I teach organizations and business people and workers how to use generative AI to be more productive, more efficient, and so forth in their work. And before we get started on the instructions itself, I want to show you where to get custom instructions, a PDF document that will help you get started in this process. So pause this video, click on the link below and grab this Gen AI custom instructions PDF that I've got available for you over on the Gen AI Skills Academy on School. It's free to join, and I've got loads of other tutorials and so forth to share with you over there. So hit pause, grab the PDF, and then come back over here. Okay, looks like you have it already, or you've paused it and you're back again. So let's continue with the little bit of work here. Go to Claude, log in. I've already uploaded my PDF. So in here, in a chat within Claude, you're going to basically tell it who you are. So for example, you might be a HR manager. So in here, you'll tell it who you are. In this case, you might be a HR manager in a large international corporate. You might be a business owner with 20 people employed. You might be a senior leader in a financial firm. Whatever you are, tell it who you are, give it some context, what work you do, what your job involves, who your organization is, and so forth. And tell it also the kind of work that you do. My work involves, or whatever, however you want to put that. And then ask the AI, Claude in this case, to customize the attached instructions for your needs. Once you've done that, you might want to elaborate on this a little bit. You don't need to go crazy. Just give it a paragraph to explain your work and so forth, and the type of organization you operate for, you work for, and so on. And then hit enter. And Claude will examine this document and begin to provide you with instructions tailored to your particular needs. It'll go through the motions here. It might give you additional requests for more information. Like here, for example, what are your primary responsibilities? What functions do you do? Do you work with your current use of AI, about your context? So do your AI a favor, respond as best you can to these queries and ask it to go ahead. And once you do, it will produce a document for you that you can then copy and paste into the custom instructions section. So as you can see, Claude is bashing away, giving me a response here in what is referred to as an artifact. It's producing this in Markdown. And once it's finished, you can then copy this Markdown and drop it into the custom field inside your settings. And let me show you what that looks like now. We let that carry on. And I'll go into settings here. So this is where you paste its response in here. And this is what I've done. Again, this is in Markdown. You'll see these hash marks and so forth. That just indicates it's Markdown language. And once you paste this in here, Claude will then structure its responses accordingly. And I've found this very helpful in getting better responses from Claude. I've done the same inside ChatGPT, and if you haven't already seen that video, it's available on YouTube and also here in the AI Skills, the Gen AI Skills Academy, for you to check out. Slight variations on what's required depending on the tool you're using. Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and so forth have different settings, but I'll do additional videos to show you those. So once that's done, that should be finished now. Let me go back in and into this chat and see what it's produced. And here's the artifact on the right hand side, just loading now. Once that's loaded, you can click copy to grab this. Here it is here. Click copy, copied, and then go back into your settings and paste it in here. And that's how you customize your personalization settings inside Claude. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If you want to learn more about using AI to the best of its ability, getting the most out of it, become more productive, creative in your work, hit subscribe, join me on School and learn more. All right, thanks for watching.